Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here at Amer Fort Jaipur. So this is a place which is heavenly. When I came here I didn't have an idea to shoot vlog, but yes, I'm very excited. So let us proceed now. So after reaching the Amer Fort, we took an open gym and proceeded towards the fort, after which we arrived to this beautiful place and it's a Kund. Dhadak and Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2 shooting has also been done here. Okay, so we entered using an open jeep. Okay, so this is the courtyard. So basically this is Ajodha's fort, Amer Fort. So this is the gate, which is the east gate, where it is known as the sun gate, जहाँ से अकबर आते थे अंदर. And that is the gate you can see there. That's the west gate or the moon gate, जिससे जाते थे. So there by the name. So there's the restaurant 1135 AD. I think God said us that only. So it's a very popular one. However, the entry is not for all. It's only because you have some turn request. So this is the entire fortification, which is third in India. So it is 12 kilometer long. The first is the China Wall, second is the Kumbhalgarh, and third is this. And this you can see is the Diwan-e-Am place. Okay, so Diwan-e-Am, if you have read about Akbar any time, you might have known that Diwan-e-Am was a daily routine of Akbar, wherein he used to talk to the common people and try to communicate with them, and also establish a cause and talk about things that he wanted to talk to the people. So here in Diwan-e-Am, so what's different about this fort? So in this fort, after Akbar married Jodha, there has been no such war, and therefore there has been no warfare room, and everything is natural like 500 years ago. So the king who belonged to here was Jai Singh, and he thereby the name Jaipur. So if you see this pillars, the one is red and the other is white. So white belongs to the Hindu one and red belongs to the Muslims. So you can see how integrated it is. Now if you see the fortification, here in the bottom you will see some flowers or something. So that is something which is symbolical to the Muslims. And there at up you will see elephant with the lotus that symbolizes Lakshmi, thereby the Hindu culture. So this is the gate. I forgot the name. So this is the gate wherein you enter, and all these paintings, it is all 300 years ago, the old part of it. And this is the entire fort. You can see this is a very nice place to be. Trust me guys, if you come to Jaipur and you are going to miss out on this, no, that's a big no. You are not going to do this. We have Sheesh Mahal, we have some temple, and the facility here is awesome. The view, the photogenic ones, you can come here and you can enjoy to the fullest. Okay, so one more thing that I forgot to mention is that this wall fortification, it was first allowed initially like 4 or 5 months back, that you can go there, you can climb up the stairs and move. But if you are familiar with the Jaipur news, you will get to know that few months back there was a thunderstorm due to which many people died out here. So yes, this has been blocked passage, and rest I'll continue in the video forward. तो हमने उस गेट से एंटर करा है जिसमें I told there is this sculpture and paintings and everything, which is almost 300 years back. So here when we have entered, so there is this bagicha. Okay, the garden, and ये जो बगीचा है, you will realize कि कबूतर का जो shoot हुआ था जोधा अकबर में, the movie, so it is of this side. They have used like high level of photo editing to make it large, but it is quite really short. You can see it. I'll switch the camera that side. Okay. So here we enter into the fort, and now we come to the most interesting part. So this is the Diwan-e-Khas place. Okay, so previously हम गए थे Diwan-e-Am में, जिसमें the Akbar used to communicate with the local people, and here Diwan-e-Khas was for special people or the ministers. Okay, so now we are entering into the most demanded place, the love of my life, that is the Sheesh Mahal. तो हम शीश महल के एरिया में आ चुके हैं. सो शीश महल एरिया 2005 से बंद हो चुका है, आप अंदर नहीं जा सकते. रीजन बीइंग दिस इज इंडिया गाइस, वेलकम टू इंडिया. सो यहाँ पे लोगों ने क्या करा, शीशे उतार दिए. सो दैट्स द रीजन इट्स क्लोज्ड फॉर एवर, एंड मे बी इन फ्यूचर इफ द हैबिट कंटिन्यूज ऑफ द पीपल, द बैरियर्स कुड बी हियर and if you see this pole, so this pole is quite old. Like आप ये पूरा pole देखोगे, it's of one single length. उस समय you didn't require those lorry and everything. So इसमें आप देखोगे बहुत बारीकी से अलग अलग mirrors को use किया गया है, and this is all Belgium, and this is the convex mirror. Okay, if you see the detailing out here, it's very, very, very precise. Today's machine work can't be doing this. If you look at this video, you will see how bit by bit from ascending or descending order, all the monuments have been built up and laid up very properly. So that's it about the Sheesh Mahal. हम वापस से सीढ़ी चढ़ के एक और लेवल पर आ चुके हैं. सो दिस इज अ सेपरेट एरिया दिस इज कॉल्ड झरोका. तो जैसे ही राजा यूज टू और अकबर यूज टू एंटर देयर इन द फ्रंट, जहाँ पे हमने शीश महल देखा था दीवान खास वाली जगह पे, तो यहाँ पे रानियाँ बैठकर उनको देखा करती थी. सो दीज आर द टू वर्शिप रूम्स. यू कैन सी माई फिंगर्स पॉइंटिंग आउट. सो दीज टू आर द वर्शिप रूम्स वेयर इन वेन एवर द एम्परर यूज टू गो टू वॉर. ठीक है. सो द रानिया ऑल द रानियाँ यूज टू वर्शिप हियर, एंड दिस इज द telescope. They have the service here wherein you can see a flag out there which is panchranga, okay, 5 different colors. So now if you see at the architecture, these are the stars which symbolizes the Mughal part, okay, and these are lotuses which symbolizes the Hindu part, and this is the window through which Rani used to look out there, and this used to be covered with curtains all black so that no one can see outside. Now we are proceeding further. So guys, this is the garden area. यहाँ पे light and sound show होता है which is 300 rupees per head. You can park out your car there and enjoy उधर garden में बैठ के. This is a must visiting site. तो यहाँ पे it's all clear. I can go out of the window. So this is the fort जहाँ से हम enter कर रहे थे, and now we are standing at the almost top level and watching things. That is the front, that is the border out there. This is the lake, this is the garden wherein you can actually watch light and sound show. You can see the entire fortification view. It's just beautiful. I just got the information. This is Mounta Lake, और इधर केसरी केसरी उगाया गया था, the plant which is famous in Kashmir, but Akbar was very determined, so he got all the soil, seeds, everything, but he couldn't support the weather. He even he constructed this river and everything to support the cultivation of it, but then it failed. But yet this is a very beautiful site to be in. ओके गाइस, तो हम मानसिंह वाले पार्ट में आ चुके हैं महल के. सो दिस इज द प्लेस जहाँ पे दासियाँ रहती थी. वो जो तो पतीले दिख रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली डायरेक्टर लेकर आए थे व्हेन द शूटिंग ऑफ जोधा अकबर मूवी वाज गोइंग ऑन. सो वो यहाँ पे छोड़ के चले गए बिकॉज दे थॉट बॉय टू गिव रेंट एंड कैरी इट बैक टू बॉम्बे. सो दैट फ्लैग यू कैन सी आउट देयर पॉइंटिंग टुवर्ड्स माई फिंगर इज ऑफ जयगढ़. ओके, जयगढ़ फोर्ट. वहाँ पे बड़ा सा तोप है. आई विल गो देयर एंड शूट अ वीडियो फॉर यू. सो इसमें जब आप जाओगे तोप में, यू कैन सी देयर इज ओनली वन फ्लैग. ओके, यू कैन सी अ टाइनी सा ऐसे straight rod types. That is one flag. जब वहाँ पे 2 flag होता है, it means the Raja of Jaipur is still here, and if there is only one, it means he is out of station, and this is something which is followed till now, till date. Okay, so if you see all those broken house pieces, वो उन local people के tribals, those who used to live out there, and backside you can see those black forts. वहाँ पे initially राजा रहते थे before the making of Amer Fort. So this is it. So guys, यहाँ पे we have entered the Mansingh Palace. तो यहाँ पे flats, okay. So in modern language, if I talk about it, it's flats of 12 Raniya. So if you enter, this is one room of Rani. This is the hall. So there is this another place. This is again a room, and this every part, okay, every flat had different staircase for the Raja to enter, and there was no connection between two Rani ka ghar. Okay, so they were all separated, and if you see this is where Rani used to take bath. This is the kund. Okay, so every Rani had it different. This is the stair. Okay, you can see how Raja can enter. So there was it was his choice. जिसके पास उसको जाना हो, जब जाना हो, जैसे जाना हो. So you can see how many stairs you can see. So these were all segmented, different flats. So now I'll proceed to this area. If you see when I entered the room, ये जाता है जयगढ़ को. This is a surang. Okay, so that sounds really very interesting.
Wow.
इधर out there, this is the Akbar's, मतलब जो not sorry Akbar, I mean the emperor part. So यहाँ पे emperor रहते थे and नीचे was the different रानियाँ, वो सीढ़ी से आया करते थे. There were 12 different staircases. So this is the common area, the center part of the Mansingh Mahal, and this is where the discussions took place. कोई भी conflict हो रहा है, कोई भी dispute हो रहा है, there is any matter that is to be discussed, वो यहाँ discuss हुआ करता था. So overall the architecture is quite good, but यहाँ पे if you come to this part, okay, Mansingh part of this palace, you won't find marble work or the work that glass work that we found previously another emperor. So he was like he was not okay with it, Mansingh. Okay, so he was very generalized, and यहाँ पे आपको maximum this rocky sort of जो होते हैं आपको उनका मैन्युफैक्ट मतलब ये आर्किटेक्चर मिलेगा. एंड गाइज इट इज़ वेरी एडवाइजेबल कि आप आमेर फोर्ट आ रहे हो, डोंट कम विदाउट अ गाइड. इट्स अ बिग नो. ओके, यू नीड अ गाइड, अ वेल वर्स्ड गाइड who can tell you about this fort. Trust me, nothing is more exciting, neither photography nor videography nor blogging, than knowing things out. जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, it's just the 10% of what the guide is telling us, and there is much more to know about it. I cannot keep everything in my mind while keeping the blog. So this is a very exciting place to be. Take a guide, come in an open jeep and enjoy this place. यहाँ पे आपको शॉप्स मिलेंगे हैंडीक्राफ्ट के. दिस इज कैफे कॉफी डे. यू कैन एंजॉय योर कॉफी हियर आउट हियर आमेर. एंड दिस इज अनदर शॉप. सो ओके, देयर आर सम साइट्स फॉर शॉपिंग टू, बट आई हैवंट ट्राइड इट बिकॉज जयपुर में आके शॉपिंग के लिए इट्स बेटर यू गो टू पिंक सिटी पैलेस, लाइक पिंक सिटी एरिया, एंड यू कैन एंजॉय दैट. गाइस, तो ये है वो कढ़ाई जिसको मैंने पतीला बताया था. उस पॉइंट से हमने इसको देखा था. सो द डायरेक्टर गॉट इट फॉर द जोधा अकबर शूट, बट सैडली उन्होंने यहाँ छोड़ दिया. एंड हियर वी कैन सी इट. So it's quite huge. इसमें तो मेरा कितना, so I won't say कितने दिन का खाना, otherwise it would be insulting for me. But okay, this is fun.
So towards the left we have this surang, so it's quite interesting. I saw another one type of surang before as well. So after this we are proceeding towards watching the puppet show. So with this we come to an end to this blog. After this you will find some local stores wherein they will sell some local Jaipur products, and there are some man carrying various items like jewelry which is very minimal in range and you can afford it. After this we took a stop at Jaipuri Block Printing Center. Therein first there was a demonstration on how block printing is done, and then there were some products shown and it was good, the quality, material and everything. Photography and videography was not allowed, so I couldn't do it, but this is a good place to be in. So that's it. We took 2.5 hours to complete this entire tour. Enjoy. Please go to Amer Fort. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to stay updated. Leave your comment down below. Thank you.